So recently someone just asked me if I was still investing in the real estate investment platform called Fundrise. And the answer is yes and no. And I'll tell you why in just a second. Hi everyone, this is Camilla, the Focused Spender, and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to get out of debt, save more money, and invest so that you can build wealth and leave a lasting legacy. So if you don't know what Fundrise is, it is an investment platform that allows you to invest in REITs, which are real estate investment trusts. And looking at the platform, they've actually started to allow for different types of investments. So not only real estate, but also technology and different other unique types of investments. And think of it like a mutual fund where there's different investments, there's different residential properties, townhomes, commercial, industrial buildings that are in one fund, and you're putting your money into that fund. So it's like an LLC and you're investing within that company. And I started in March of 2021. I think I started out by putting in $100 and I was doing $100 a week. So it's pretty much a low cost investment. I think you can even go as little as $10 a month or $10 a week, whatever the cycle you're doing. So you don't have to have a lot of money to start investing in it. And I think the reason why I started to feel a little bit, I don't know about this, is because of the residential investment portion of the business, where, as you know, in this country, housing prices are through the roof. Like if you live in New York City like I do, and you want to buy a house, I don't even want to say in a semi-decent area. If you want to buy a house anywhere in New York City, you have to have $1 million. And I'm not even exaggerating. Like you have to have so much money to purchase a home. I'm not saying that Fundrise is driving up the housing prices in New York, but real estate investment companies are driving up the prices of residential homes because companies are buying out homes before the average Joe can purchase a home and using it as an investment. Housing stock is dwindling and home prices are rising. So I kind of felt a little bit icky about just being a part of that. But I digress. Well, that is the main reason why I was feeling a little bit icky about real estate investments in general. So the question of the day is, am I still investing with Fundrise? And I am. However, the caveat is that my money is there, but I'm not putting in any new money. And the reason why my money is still there is because it takes 5 years for you to be able to liquidate your money without facing any penalties. So I stopped putting money into Fundrise because I knew that it was going to take a really long time to get the money out. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing and giving you a little bit of a tour of the platform. So let's jump right into my Fundrise account. Okay, so this is my Fundrise account. And as you can see, my account value is $4,165. And honestly, I invested $4,100. So let's go into my portfolio. Now, overall, you can see my overall contribution has been $4,100 since March of 2021. I have reinvested $80.39 in dividends, and my net return is $65.44. Now, I just want to have this caveat that, as you can see in this graph, there were certain years where I did a lot better than other years. So even though it's $65, there were years where I did a lot better. So let's go into custom, and then we can look at how I did per year. So in 2021, I contributed $1,600 and my net return was $368. So I did really well in 2021. If we go into 2022, in 2022, I contributed $1,200, so that was $100 a month, and my net return was negative $114. In 2023, I contributed an additional $1,200 and my net return was negative $471. And I only received $12 in dividends. And in 2024, I only invested $100 and my net return was $287.46. So it started to rebound a bit in 2024. Nothing has happened just yet in 2025, just because it's too early in the year. $6.71 in dividends, and my net return so far is negative $4.94. So not much is happening. So if we look at what I'm invested in, I am in the flagship real estate fund. So this is one of their original funds, and you can see that I have 76 assets, and it's a mixture of industrial buildings and build for rent. So these are houses that they're building, like maybe like a subdivision that they're building to rent out the homes. I have townhouses and individual homes. So this is the part where I was feeling icky about it, where, they're just building homes to rent them out and not making them for purchase. And I didn't really like that, but I did like the fact that I could invest in industrial buildings. Now, I don't think there's anything wrong with investing necessarily with Fundrise, but you do have to decide for yourself, do I want to put my money in a situation where I might be causing home prices to skyrocket? Honestly, that is something that you have to decide. I can't make the decision for you. But for me, I'm not too sure. So I don't know where my future lies with real estate investing. I know that it's not something that I want to completely abandon. I just have to feel better about doing it so that I'm not compromising my morals, but I'm able to still invest my money and make my money grow for me. So if this is something you're interested in, if you want to see more videos like this, definitely like this video so that I know that this is something that you want to see. If you have any comments, if you are a real estate investor, make sure that you leave me a comment and just let me know what are the things that you're doing with real estate investing so that we can have a dialogue about investing in real estate. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.